Let us solve one more problem from the gate physics. So the problem states that evaluate the Fourier transform of f(x). The function is given as e into mod of x, where a is greater than 0. So we can write the Fourier transform in this way, that f k equal to minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power minus a into modulus of a into root of into I k x dx, right? So if we integrate, then it will come 2a by a square plus k square, right? So the final answer for the given problem, that is the Fourier transform, is of the given function is 2a by a square plus k square, right? I hope the solution is clear. So thanks a lot.